Sir, the one approved by the House last Friday on third and final reading, the budget measure, was it the same NEP that Malacanang submitted to the House?
It is exactly the same.
Sir, in that context, sir, would it be, is it Senator Lacson is trying to accuse the President of inserting pork barrel in the national budget?
Well, everybody or anyone who is concerned about the statement of Senator Lacson may draw his own conclusion. But we gave the President what he asked. The General Appropriation Bill is the replica of the National Expenditure Program which was submitted to the House of Representatives.
Kaya nga sir, ganun ba yun sir? Kasama sa inakusahan ni Ping sir.
We will leave the conclusion to each and every listener or each and every leader who may come to know the statement of Senator Lacson.